everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by today. If you're new, I'm Laura. Wyatt's the white puppy dog. Xena is the tan puppy dog, and they just like hanging out with me when I create my videos. I hope you stick around for the long haul and hit that subscribe so I can keep doing this. If you already have, a huge thank you. Today, I am sharing the Spring Curateur collection. So the Spring Curateur box is a seasonal subscription, obviously. So this one is the spring, but they have all 4 seasons. It is by Rachel Zoe and used to be the Rachel Zoe Box of Style. She now has turned this into an entire site of fun stuff, but she still does have her regular subscription box, which I love. They just recently raised the price for this box, but if you have it, you were able to lock in at the original $99 a season, or at the discounted amount if you bought it annually. It has now gone up to $125 a season, or $400 for the entire year if you still want to get this box. I love this. It's always valued at $400 a season for your $100 cost, and it's always filled with high-end luxury goods. She always has customizations as well, so you get to pick usually between 2 items between different choices. Sometimes it's color, sometimes it's items. And when I open it up, here's what I see. It says the Premier Shopping Membership, Curateur, and then there is a little book that's going to tell you all about the pieces inside this collection. Or it's just a little 1-pager. So we're going to get right into it. All right, and I will put my link down below. If you use my link, you'll get money towards your first collection. All right. I love how she always mixes it up. There's almost always jewelry, always beauty products. There's almost always a bag or something you can wear. So she always does like to keep it very lots of variety, and lots of fun things that are very in tune with the season at hand. First up, we're going to go with the beauty product. This is Restoring Face Serum by Hue and Grace. This is, of course, a full size. It says, I have been a fan of Hue and Grace's night serum for a while, so I'm thrilled to include the daytime formula that's light and bright. I apply throughout the day, and I especially love using it in flight while I travel to get a flash of hydration. Here's what it looks like. What do you think, YY? It smells really good. I thought I could smell something, and I was wondering if it was this, and that it is. It smells amazing. It says, trying to find out directions. Apply 3 to 10 drops to a cleansed face and neck for best results. Use morning and evening. And I guess for Rachel, you can use it at any time in between. Awesome. Next up is an eye mask. So, does anyone use an eye mask? I've had them. Sometimes I use them, sometimes I don't. Sometimes my husband likes to watch TV when I don't want to watch TV at nighttime. I'm ready to go to sleep. So they come in handy. Here's what it looks like. It says, I swear by my silk eye mask, this one will help you sleep seamlessly anywhere and you'll look chic doing it. So it is silk, so that adds to the benefits of your beauty routine, right? So doesn't make for any wrinkles and helps with the skin. We're gonna put it on. Let's see what it looks like. I'm messing up my hair, I know. Oh, it's nice and elastic in the back. Feels really good. It's not too tight. Should fit in everybody. I love it. Guaranteed to get a beauty rest. It'd be great for in a car if you're traveling, or a plane. So perfect for a travel mask as well. And it says, well-being starts on the inside. Soft layers and natural materials support a good night's sleep and a life well lived. Awesome. What else have I got here? This is the Natasha Moore More Power Extreme Volumizing Mascara, which has come in handy because I was just thinking I needed new mascara. So I love that. I was sold on the Luxe packaging alone. I love how the mascara doubles as a mirror and really delivers the drama. Black eyeliner is an essential part of my everyday makeup, so I am picky about formulas. Oh, so must be an eyeliner too. Let's see if I can get it out here. This one is easy to use. It makes getting glam a breeze. All right, let me get this out. So there's mascara or eyeliner. And maybe I think I picked the mascara. It was a choice. It was a choice. Mascara or eyeliner, and I picked the mascara. Yep, it says choice item. So here's the mascara, and you can see how it is actually a mirror as well. But if you like the eyeliner better, you could have picked that. I have to be really careful about what eyeliner I choose. I can only use the liquid. I can't use a pencil, and this one was a pencil, and that's why I didn't choose it. But I'm excited to try the mascara. Okay, jewelry up next. This is by Render. This was also a choice item, and you could choose the gold, yellow gold, or white gold Victoria earring. And I chose the white gold. Look how pretty those are. It says, in my opinion, you can never have enough hoops. This one has such thoughtful details and a unique design that makes me feel like I am getting the drama of 2 earrings in one. Let's check these out. I always love that she includes jewelry. It always makes me feel like, yay, new jewelry. What do you think? These are nice, and they're not heavy. I hate whenever it's too heavy and you can feel them on your ears. These are not too heavy. Pretty, right? If you hear any noise in the background, which I'm going to try to get rid of, basement work still going on. So please excuse the extra noise. All right, then next I have another beauty product. This is a new type of clay mask infused with botanicals that leaves skin feeling soft and supple. Kaolin clay absorbs oil and rosemary. It says absorbs oil and rosemary, is rich in astringent components. A mushroom extract helps reduce the appearance of pores. Chantecaille? I don't think I'm saying that right. So here's what it looks like. Detox clay mask with rosemary and honey. I'm guessing you just use it like, well, it's sealed here. I don't want to open it until I'm ready to use it, but apply for a generous layer twice a week on face and neck and leave on for 10 minutes. So it's just 10 minutes. Gently remove with cotton and lukewarm water. I always like to know how long I need. So good to know. 10 minutes and you're set. Awesome. If it takes too long, I tend not to grab for it. 10 minutes is doable. All right, and the last item is the Walter Baker Day Tripper bag. I love that this bag is in bulky. Look how you can fold this up. This would be nice to travel with. You can throw this on top of your suitcase if you needed a bag, but sometimes I do. This one says, I love that this bag is in bulky. I know I'll be using it for beach or pool days when I just need to bring along a few essentials. Those are Rachel's comments. Let's look at this. Let's see how big it is. It's all wrapped up nice. Oh, this is large. I think Wyatt fits in there. What do you think, YY? You want to try it out? Check that out. And then the bottom is black, which is nice. If you set it down, you don't have to worry about marking the white. It has the black striping on the sides. The black handles, which let's see if I can get this off of here and show you. maybe not. So what do you think? Has a little tassel here, the leather straps, zipper front, zipper closure. Look how cute that is. And let's see what it looks like inside. Huge. Look at that. Do you want to go inside YY and show them how big it is? Can fit all the stuff and YY. YY doesn't like to go inside the bags. I think he can fit though. So we'll see if he can fit afterwards. See, there's little pockets here. Can you see those? There's a pocket here and a pocket beside it. So 2 pockets on the inside. Hopefully you guys are able to see that. See 1 and 2. There's 2 of them. And then there is a zipper on this side. You guys can see that. So everything you could possibly need. The Carly bag. So nice. Yeah. I like it. I love that it folds up flat too. That's super cute. And that's all the items. What did you guys think? I love this particular subscription. I think it's so much fun. So I always look forward to my curators. Can't wait when it tells me it's time for me to make my selections, because there is always customizations available. So I will put all the information, as I mentioned, for this particular box down below in case you would like to check it out. It is seasonal. I don't think it's too late to get the spring box, so check it out. Summer will be coming up next, quickly right behind. Check out the earrings. So pretty. The bag, beauty items, travel and daily sleep mask that is silky. And don't forget about the mascara, or you could pick the eyeliner. Lots of goodies. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I love sharing this particular box with you. Let me know what you think though. Comment down below. Hope you had fun. If you did, hit that like before you go. Hit that subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.